Considering that lists are basic building blocks in SharePoint, it should come as no surprise that most other apps built in within SharePoint are based on lists. Other than document libraries, which we'll talk about soon, almost all the other built-in apps are simply pre-configured lists with appropriate columns. For instance, the announcement, calendar, tasks, lists, contacts, etc. are all forms of lists. Each of them simply has a set of predefined columns that store the data that are relevant to them. For example, a links list would store a URL, while the contacts list will store a contact's name and address. For SharePoint, these are simply different instances of a list with different columns. While SharePoint does give a huge number of such pre-built lists, it doesn't stop you from creating your own ones for custom scenarios. You can go ahead and build a custom list from scratch that contains the columns you need to have and not what SharePoint gives you. You can even start from any of the existing template lists that are available and then customize them too so that it fits your requirements. Once a list is created, you can customize the way it is displayed to your users by using views. We've covered views briefly during the lesson on document libraries, and we will cover it in more detail as well in the next lesson.